Okay, so today I'm gonna do an oil change for these 2009 Toyota Sienna 3.5 liters. Um, a lot of the Lexus are pretty much the same engines, and the Highlanders are pretty much the same engine, the 3.5. But today I'm going to focusing on the 2009 Sienna. Okay, the oil that I'm going to use it will be AMSOIL Signature Series 5W30. 75% more wear protections. Yes. As far as oil, I believe this is one of the best oil ever. Okay. And the engine flush. Okay. In the past, I'm a fan of Castrol Syntec Edge, set Titanians, and I'm a fan of Royal Purple. This is the only two brands that I'm using in the past. Okay. Other than that, today I'm switching to AMSOIL, and I've been doing a lot of research. This is one of the best. Now, but before you do that, okay, enough about talking about the oil. Before you change the oil to get the best result, I'll be using engine flush. And they say you pour this whole bottle inside the engines and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. The best way is to dry your vehicle for 10-15 minutes until your engine is oil is get hot. Okay, and then, or at least not super hot, but at least get a little bit hot rather than cold. Okay, to get the maximum out of it before you put this bottle inside. Okay, so I got the whole bottle in. I'm gonna go start the vehicle for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so sorry, 12:16. So I'm gonna let it go to, I say 12:29 or 12:30. Okay, so we'll come back. Okay, I'm back. Engine still running. Okay, so right now it's 12:30. So let's shut off this engine and let's drain the oil. So it has been for 14 minutes of running. Okay, before you put the no filter on, make sure you change this gasket here. Okay, that's the old gasket. Make sure you put a new gasket in. And see, when you put this no filter, you see when you when this against the engines, you can have confidence that this will protect it. Okay, so okay, time to add the oil. Put in 20 ounce, 10% of these, so of the oil. So my oil is 6.4 quart, and 10% of that is about 18 to 20 ounce. So one bottle of these is 16 ounce. I'm gonna put about another 4 ounce of the new bottle and best line oil treatment. Okay. Okay, so after the oil change, what you want to do is you have to reset the oil light. Make sure you on audio. Okay, audio. Turn the ignition off, and then you press this reset, hold it, and turn it on. Do not start. You see that little dot, it's counting down. Okay, everything's 0. You're good to go. You can release that, and there you go. The oil light is set. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.